Kampo ni Rufa May, naglabas ng opisyal na pahayag. Nagpalabas ng opisyal na pahayag ang aktres at komedyan na si Rufa May Quinto hinggil sa umano'y kanyang pagkakadawit sa umano'y isang investment scam ng isang beauty clinic. Ang umano'y investment scam ay ang kaso na kinakaharap din ng misis ng parokya ni Edgar frontman Chito Miranda na si Nery Naig Miranda. Nauna nang kinumpirma ng lawyer ni Rufa May na meron niyang standing warrant of arrest ang comedian at sinabing haharapin nito ang kasong isinampa laban sa kanya. Samantala, sa official statement ni Rufa May, sinabi nitong wala siyang anumang koneksyon sa anumang illegal na aktibidad ng naturang beauty clinic at ang anumang ibinibintang sa kanya ay walang basehan. Dagdag pa ni Rufa May, siya umano ay biktima din at naghahanga din ng hustisya. Nalulungkot umano si Rufa May na nadadawit siya sa mga ganitong issue at naniniwala siyang lalabas din ang katotohanan. Ayon pa kay Rufa May, makikipagtulungan siya umano sa mga otoridad at matapang nahaharapin ang kaso para ipaglaban ang kanyang pangalan at reputasyon. Sa huli, pinasalamatan ni Rufa May ang lahat ng sumusuporta sa kanya at humingi ng pasensya at pangunawa ng publiko. Official public statement of Ms. Rufa May Quinto, December 3, 2024. I want to take this opportunity to address the recent allegations that have been circulating regarding my involvement in a scam issue. Let me state this unequivocally. I have no connection whatsoever to any fraudulent activity, and I categorically deny these baseless accusations. If anything, I am also a victim, and I am determined to seek justice. Over the years, I have worked tirelessly to build my career and maintain my untarnished reputation, which is rooted in integrity and dedication. As a public figure, I have always demonstrated professionalism, transparency, and respect for the people and brands I work with. It is dejecting to see my name being dragged through the mud, but I remain steadfast and confident that the truth will soon prevail. I will cooperate fully with the authorities and face this issue through the proper legal forum. Rest assured, I will fight for my name and reputation. To those who have extended their love and support, I am grateful. Let us allow justice to take its course, and I humbly ask for your patience and understanding as the truth unfolds. Rufa May Quinto. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.